Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Do you ever find yourself that it's way too hot outside and you have to make a dessert and you really don't want to turn on the oven, or you're looking for something just simple that you can put together that tastes delicious and it's not too heavy? Well, in today's video I will be sharing just that. I'm sure you have seen these all over Pinterest and maybe even YouTube, but they're the angel food cake trifles. So I am using an angel food cake that I had purchased already done at a supermarket, some vanilla yogurt, a Cool Whip whipped topping, and some strawberries and blueberries. I have tried my strawberries and blueberries and they are very sweet, so I will not be sprinkling any sugar all over them. But if you find that your strawberries and blueberries, well, primarily strawberries, aren't as sweet, you can always sprinkle a little bit of sugar and it will bring up the sweetness. And I will be assembling the dessert in this trifle bowl. So first thing, I will be cutting up my strawberries. The next step is I will cut up the cake. So I had layered my trifle bowl with some cake, and you just want to cover the whole bottom. And now I'm going to add the vanilla yogurt. And you just want to make sure that most of the cake is covered. And now I'm going to add some strawberries. And some blueberries. And Cool Whip. Just gonna smooth it out. And now I'm gonna add another layer of cake. And more pudding. And just follow with more fruit. And I'm gonna add more Cool Whip. Okay, now that it's done, I'm just going to decorate it. And for that, I'm just going to cut the strawberries in half. And that's it. The cake is all done. It literally took me 20 minutes to do, under 20 minutes, and I tell you, it tastes delicious. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I share recipes several times a month, and I thought this one was a great one to share since we love it, and it's super light and it tastes delicious. Until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.